All right, guys, let's talk about how you make a copy of some sort of document. So this works in Sheets, Slides, and Docs. And what'll happen is maybe a teacher is sharing a blank copy of an assignment with you where they want you to fill in certain parts, but you're going to make it your own. You'll see this view only, which means that you can't edit anything. Like I can't type anything, I can't insert anything. I have very few things that are available to me up here on the toolbar. So what I'm going to do is go to File and make a copy of the entire presentation. And I'll just take away this copy of, because I'll assume that the teacher titles it something that they want the assignment to be called. And then I'll put my name at the end. And then I'm going to click down here into my drive and put it into the class folder that it belongs to. So now I have my own copy of it, and I can click around once it loads, and I can edit everything, spell my name right, and I can insert whatever I need. In the next video, I'll show you guys all the different things you can do with slides.